Good morning, grammarians. We are going to look at our very last lesson of Unit 1, and today we're going to talk about asking questions with what or who plus the verb be. You remember we did the verb be a while ago. We know that be is really I am or you are, he, she, it is. So am, is, and are the way we change this verb be in our questions. But when we ask a question with what or who, let's make sure we know what we're doing. So example A says, what is this? When we're talking about the word what, we're asking about a thing. So what is this? It's a pen. What is this? It's a pen. A pen is a thing. But when we say something like, who is that man? Who? We're talking about a person. That's Mr. Lee. So what asks about things and who asks about people. Remember that we are going to use is when the word that follows is going to be singular or one, and we'll use are if the word followed is going to be plural. So, what's this? What's this? It's the same as saying, what is this? Who's that man? Who is that man? So remember, apostrophe in S is the same as adding is. Who is that man? Who are those men? What are those books? So remember, is for singular, are for plural. You're going to have a short assignment today where you're going to complete the questions. So the questions are there, but they're not done. You need to finish them. You're going to either use what or who and is or are. So A is the question and B is the answer. So A, blank that woman. She's my sister. Her name is Sonia. We know Sonia or sister is a person, so we need to use the word who, and because it's only one person, we need to use is. Who is that woman? Woman. If it was women, then we would use are. But because woman only means one, singular is. Let's look at number 2. Blank those things. Things. Okay. Well, things we already know. We're talking about a thing. We're going to use what. But this is plural. They're pens. So in this case, we're going to use what are. What are those things? So you are going to continue exercise 43. So you're going to do 3, 4, 5 down here, and we'll stop at this point at number 10. You do not need to do the 45 oral because you don't have a partner at home to talk to. So just numbers 3 through 10, and then you can submit it to Schoology. We will begin our review, and we will soon have a test.